Hey, I'm Keely from Thermaltake Australia. Today we are doing a test to see if our tutorials are easy to follow or not. So to help us out, we have Sherry!
Hello guys!
She works in our admin department downstairs, and today we've got you following our how to install a power supply tutorial. We've got a laptop here for you. Have you ever built a computer before or done anything like that?
No, I've never done that before.
No experience whatsoever. Perfect. All right, so yeah, we've got a laptop here. You can watch the video. You can refer to it anytime you want. But I'm going to leave you to it. Try not to burn the place down. Have fun.
Thank you.
I'm watching the video now, so like get a bit of refresh of the video and know what I will be doing. I feel very good and excited to try it out.
Do you think it was like everything you needed to know?
Yes, because this tutorial gives really detailed introduction for each kind of cable.
Is there something that you think might be hard?
I think it might be hard to find different ports for each component. So I think that might be hard because I'm not very familiar with this case and the location of each component inside. So yeah, let's get started. I would like to connect the motherboard cable first because I'm following the steps introduced by Sarah. So exactly the same steps. So that might be easier for me. So firstly, I'm gonna plug in the motherboard cable. So the 24 pins goes to the top left. I need to count it first. This one's 24. This one's like this. Oh no, it's not 24. Oh, that's too many. Sorry. Yeah, this is 24. Then I'm gonna put in the CPU cable. The side without the CPU label is plugged into the PSU. CPU should not plug into the power supply, so the one without label should go into here. Yes. Next step. Next is the PCIe cable. PCIe cable is this one. PCIe cable to here. Finally, we plug in the peripherals. So firstly, I'm gonna plug in the Molex one. Yeah, this is the Molex one. And this is the laptop, right? Like this. Yes, I think all the cables have been plugged into the power supply, so let's move to the next step. Firstly, I'm gonna plug in the 24-pin motherboard cable, and then I will plug in the CPU cable, and finally I will do the Molex cable and the SATA cable. So firstly, as I mentioned, I'm gonna do the 24-pin motherboard cable. So firstly, I need to find the location of the motherboard port. Should be right here.
It's
a bit hard for me to do this. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, sorry. That looks good to me. And then next is the CPU cable. So this is the CPU cable. You can see the CPU labeling here. CPU. Which part? Is it here? Yes. Thanks for the hint. And then it's the PCIe cable. This is the PCIe cable. You also can see the labeling here. It's for connecting the graphics card, the GPU. Am I right? Then it might be good to go this way. I can't really align this. Just hold it.
Yeah, so you're on the right track trying to join them. So that's what they call a 6+2 pin. So
Yeah, 6+2 pin.
So to do that, you have to sort of like, yeah.
Get it. Down.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally. So now I'm gonna do the peripherals, like connect all the peripherals. So firstly, I'll be using the Molex cable to connect the fans, because we have a beautiful fans here inside the case. So I need to use the Molex cable to power the fans. So firstly, I would just plug this in to the controller. Which way?
This one is really hard, like it sucks.
Really? Down. Down. Yes, maybe I'm a genius. So fans down. So now I'm gonna do the this one called SATA cable. I'll use this to power the hard drive. So it's here, the hard drive. The should go this way. Down, down. Then
Shovel the cables back in,
yes, the cable management.
and then we'll turn around, plug it in, and turn it on.
Cable management. You shouldn't expect too much for a beginner to
No,
do cable
You
management.
don't have to do that. Just shove it all in, just like.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Lower the difficulty for me. Just shove it in. Got the power cable. Now I'm just gonna plug it into the power supply to see if I, install the power supply correctly. Here we go. What do you think?
So you plug
I'm
it
a bit nervous now.
in, and it works.
Woo!
Awesome.
Oh, that's good.
And then the fans will come up there.
Ah, beautiful. All down.
Yeah, perfect. Awesome stuff. Overall, how did you find it? Was it easy or harder than you thought?
I think, so firstly, I thought it might be a bit intimidating, like, because I've never done this before, I don't have any experience. But I think the video tutorial really helped me a lot. So I just followed it step by step. So I think the hardest part is this one. It's really hard to plug the 6+2 PCIe cable into the graphics card. I think that part was really hard. Then for other parts, I think went all well, like no drama happened. Yeah, I'm very happy for that. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed my video, and comment below. Tell me what do you think? Do you think I did a good job for the first time, or I still need to improve? Of course, I need to improve. There's always room for improving. Yes, watch these videos and hope you have a good day.
Awesome stuff.
Bye.